Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: money, a vehicle, and a suitable session. Once confirmed, open the interaction menu and set your spawn to last location so you return quickly. Next, drive to the nearest car wash marked on the map. Make sure you approach during low traffic to prevent other players from blocking the entrance. As you arrive, position the car straight and slowly enter the bay to trigger the wash animation. This initiates the hands-on car wash process. You continue by engaging the interactive prompts inside the bay. Hold the indicated button to start scrubbing and use the camera to spot dirt patches. Once done with soap application, rotate the vehicle slowly to expose all sides to brushes and blowers. This ensures even cleaning and prevents missed grime. Make sure to watch the progress bar if it stalls, reposition the car, and reinitiate the step. Doing each action deliberately saves money and guarantees the car wash completes successfully. You finish by accepting the final confirmation so the clean state saves to your character. Once done, drive out slowly to avoid collision resets. If the wash fails or you see no visual change, re-enter the bay and repeat the scrub and rinse steps. Network lag often causes missed prompts. If problems persist, relog or switch session types to clear sync issues. As a troubleshooting tip, pause and resume the game only after exiting to force a server save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.